Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to introduce my name is Wilda Nur Mufliha. My name is 175204219 from the Faculty of Language and Literature, English Education. First of all, thank you for your time, Supervisor Sir Munir SPD MED Tesol, Sir Muhammad Tahir SPD MPD MED Area, as well as examiners Sir Amirullah SPD MED PhD and Sir Dr. Lasundra SPD MHum. Next, allow me to explain my research proposal entitled An Analysis of Students' Motivation in Reading Procedure Text at the Second Grade of SMA Negeri 1 Palopo. Okay, on the 2 slide there are 3 chapters, namely Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Review of Literature, Chapter 3, Research Method. In each chapter consisting of several parts, in Chapter 1 there are 4 points, namely background, research problem, research objective, significance of research. In Chapter 2, there are 4 points, namely motivation, reading, procedure text, and conceptual framework. And in Chapter 3, there are 5 points, namely procedure of collecting data, research design, data source, research instrument, and then technique of data analysis. Okay, next, Chapter 1, Introduction. Background. The reading competency standard for high school students is to have reading skill and understanding of how to read simple short text or procedural text. And students have the motivation to read text and interact with their environment, while basic competencies accurately, fluently, and acceptably respond to the meaning and rhetorical improvement of text. At SMA Negeri 1 Palopo, students' enthusiasm to read procedural material is poor based on the teacher of English teaching at SMA Negeri 1 Palopo, which requires students to read twice per meeting. Although the teacher has taught the reading procedure text in detail, the teacher nevertheless the text was based on the students' reading scores. Students lack knowledge of reading and have a low motivation to read. Next, research problem. The research problem, we have two problems. One, what is the student's motivation in learning procedure text, and two, what affect their motivation in reading procedure text. Next, research objective. Regarding the formulation of the problem above, the purpose of the study is to find out whether the use of text can motivate students to read English. And the last significance of the research. The result of this research is to provide some additional information about the concept of teaching reading, and also as a reference for English methods in teaching reading comprehension. The researcher hoped that the information from this research can improve the quality of teaching and learning exposition and develop more effective in reading skill, especially improving reading skill and analysis students' motivation in reading procedure text at the second grade of SMA Negeri 1 Palopo. Okay, Chapter 2, Literature Review, Motivation, Definition of Motivation. Gardner theory of motivation has had a long-lasting influence on the fields of language to motivation. Gardner 2001 defines motivation as a combination of their competence, effort, desire, and positive impact. orientation, which Garner refers to as goals, seek to build motivation and channel it toward achieving objective. Garner, 1985. This type of motivation. Garner distinguished two types of motivation in learning English. Is it? The first motivation is integrative motivation, namely the motivation that shows the form of a property in the language object. This motivation can be seen from a person's desire to adapt and follow the culture of the community through language. And the second motivation is instrumental motivation. This motivation is the reason to encourage someone to learn a language or have a target in mastering a language with a specific purpose. Next, reading. Definition of reading. According to Nur Hadi 2016, reading is a reading processing exposition which is carried out creatively by the reader to gain understanding. Through an examination of the reading, followed by an assessment of the situation, value, function, and impact of reading. According to Anna Widyastuti 2017, reading is an activity that involves auditive and visual. Type of reading. Patel and Praven 2008. Reading can be classified into numerous forms, including intensive reading, extended reading, reading aloud, and silent reading. Okay, next, reading text. There are different types of text in English. Text that junior high school students must be familiar with and understand. The following are 5 types of text and their brief explanation. We have 5 points. The first, descriptive. The second, narrative. The third, recount. The fourth, report. And the last, procedure text. Procedure text. Definition of procedure text. Procedure text is the text that can be referred to as instructions. Texts are very common in everyday life. For example, in making food, ordering, operating machines, or turning on a computer. All that is needed is instruction to avoid errors in operating or making something. The steps that have been instructed must be answered with the initial procedure. Nothing is mindset. Next, purpose of procedure text. Walter 2015 consider the purpose of this text to be to show that something has been done right, then to achieve good result in the end. That is, the objective of this text is to provide knowledge on how to make, cook, use, and operate something that is necessary for the reader to obtain a successful result. Type of procedure text. Authors say that there are different procedure texts for different purposes. We have 3 points. The first, text giving details on how to use some operation instruction. 2, text that train how to do certain activity. And the third, text relate to human behavior. Okay, next, the element of procedure text. Linda Garrott assessment that there are various elements to this procedure text. 1. Social function. This text describes how something is done on step-by-step basis. And 2. General structure. We have 3 points: purpose, material, and step. And the last, linguistic element. Linguistic element of procedure text are elements that build a sentence in a procedure text. Priyanti 2015 stated that the linguistic element of the procedure text consists of the use of numbering, words that indicate command, and words that describe a condition. Next, language feature of procedure text. We have 4 points. Using a technical language, the sentence begins with an individualist structure of word. Using time numbers that commands to perform some procedure. Time numbers are described in the order such as second, after, next, first, and finally. And the last, individualist structure description is used in this procedure text. It tells how the action should be performed individualist structure description of how this is applied. Okay, next, advantage and disadvantage of procedure text. Advantage: students can use some of the difference in functional text is in this procedure text. This text helps students in completing something. Weakness or disadvantage: students find it difficult to distinguish between procedure text and other text, while using this generic structure can get them confused. Some students don't know about tenses. Okay, conceptual framework. The conceptual framework, the step is students' motivation in reading procedure text. Next, effort, desire, and then finally positive effect. Okay, next, chapter 3, research method. Research design. This research will use a quantitative method. Quantitative research is an exposition that collects and analyzes numerical information. It is usually used to find pattern, average, prediction, and cause and effect relationship between the variable being studied, according to Robert Domeyer 2008. Is an empirical study approach to collect, analyze, and display information in numerical form rather than narrative form. Okay, next, data sources. Setting of research SMA Negeri 1 Palopo, population the students of SMA Negeri 1 Palopo, and sample cluster random sampling. Research instrument. My research instrument is questionnaire. Procedure of collecting data. Students will fill out a questionnaire given by the research. Respondent will be given a questionnaire sheet to fill out the questionnaire. The result of the questionnaire will be directly deposited to the researcher. Okay, the last, technique of data analysis. So this in the way I will analyze the data. I will to analyze the percentage first and then calculate the mean score. Okay, thanks all my presentation of my proposal regarding an analysis of students' motivation in reading procedure text at the second grade of SMA Negeri 1 Palopo from chapter 1 to chapter 3. If there are shortcuts shortcomings or mistakes in the pronunciation, please forgive me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.